Postmortem examination has revealed that injuries due to stabs on the neck and blood force trauma led to the death of Olympian Agnes Jebet Tirop. And as Gabriel Kudaka reports, the family has not disputed the findings, now making plans to lay her to rest.
Friends and family members of the slain Olympian Agnes Jebet Tirop turned up early at the 10 County Referral Hospital mortuary, pensively waiting for the much-anticipated autopsy report. Officers from the homicide unit pacing up and down as family members sat in groups anxiously waiting. And nearly 10 hours later,
generally the examination has shown injuries due to stabs and also injuries due to blunt force trauma. We have prepared the report, and the report has been released to the team from DCI for further investigation.
Narudisha shukrani pia kwa serikali ambaye walituma madaktari wale walifanya kupona. Narudisha shukrani kwa president wetu.
Her body was later transferred to Eldoret Hospital mortuary and will be transferred to her parents' home in Lelmokwo on Friday for burial.
Atashikwa nyumbani hapa Ngejek Lelmokwo ward Kamnyamesa. So si ati kwa msichana atuchepeana, msichana tutashika nyumbani.
Some family members painfully coming to terms with her death.
Hata sijatoa kwa kichwa vile nimeona kweli, nilikuwa sijafikiria amekufa, but nimeona kwa macho, nimefikiria kweli amekufa. Walikuwa wameniambia, nilikuwa sijaamini, but nimeamini from now. Na Jebet ni mtoto yangu sana.
Tirop's body was found in her house in Iten last Wednesday, and the key suspect, her partner Ibrahim Rotich, is being held by police for further investigations. The late Agnes Tirop will be laid to rest at her parents' home in Lelmokwo, Nandi County on October 23rd, a date which coincides with her birthday. Gabriel Kudaka, NTV.